Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Inside Stack. I am Sushil Behra and I work as a data engineer. In today's video, I will show you how to install DBT-Fusion on a Windows machine, leveraging WSL and integrating with Visual Studio Code. Whether you are a data engineer or just getting started with DBT, this step-by-step guide will help you to install DBT-Fusion on your Windows PC. Let's get started. I am going to follow this Microsoft link to install Linux on Windows with WSL. So no worries, I will share this with you guys. The first step is to install WSL command. So we need to open our PowerShell in admin mode. Then we need to write this single WSL install command. As you can see, my Windows PowerShell screen. So I have written WSL install command. After that it started downloading Ubuntu and installed Ubuntu also. After some time it started asking to create a default Unix user account. So I have given Inside Stack. You can give yours. Then you need to provide password and again retype that password. Once this thing is done, our WSL setup is ready. Second step is to download Visual Studio Code. So you can come to code.visualstudio.com and here you can click the download for Windows button. Once it is downloaded, you can do install Visual Studio Code. So after installation, this page will come. Here you have to verify two things. So you can see here WSL window, it is showing that running in Ubuntu, and you have to add some extensions. Those are nothing but WSL and DBT. You can see it is from that. I have already installed it. You can also install GitHub pull request. Now open a terminal, new terminal. Okay, paste this code. Now DBT-Fusion is ready to use. The command I used from this docs.getdbt.com website. Here you can see the guidelines to install Fusion from the CLI. This is the command I used. As mentioned, to use DBT-Fusion immediately after installation, reload your shell so that the new path is recognized. So we are going to use this command as well is in our terminal. Just copy to run a command as an administrator. Okay. To execute this command, you need to be a root user. So I just did a sudo switch user. Then it asked me the password. I provided that root password. Now I'm going to run this command. Now using this command to update DBT-Fusion. I got this error as I was using the root user. So I moved out to again that Inside Stack user. Then use this DBT app system update command. As you can see, it is showing that latest DBT version 2.0.0. You can use that DBT version command as well to see the version. This is a bonus tip. Okay, so let's quickly initialize a new DBT project to confirm everything is working fine. I'm using DBT init to create a DBT project from the scratch. See, as you can see, it is asking to connect to the database. Okay, so here I will give the details of the Snowflake. If you are using Snowflake account, so you can get all those details in that account details. That is what I am going to use. But once you provide all those Snowflake details, it will be stored in that profiles.yaml file. So here you can see, for me it is showing YouTube share, target, user, threads, and all those details. Password also will be there. I intentionally removed this one. Okay, so after that you need to go for that YouTube share folder, and I'm going to show one raw supplies CSV file. This file, this is nothing but the seed file. You can see inside seeds it is kept there. So I already ran this query DBT-F seed select raw supplies, and it created a raw layer.raw supplies table. To track all those query ran by DBT, I have used one query tag. So you can check that one in DBT project YAML file. Here is the seeds YouTube share, and the query tag is the seed load DBT VS Code. Let's copy this one. Okay. Now we can verify in the Snowflake. As you can see here, table catalog is showing dbt-dev. This is nothing but the database. Here you can see dbt-dev and raw supplies got created. So let's see all those datas. Yeah, you can see all those datas. So as I was saying that query tag, that also we can verify here inside that query history, and we need to go for the filters. So here we need to active that query tag and paste that one and apply filters. As you can see, all those queries are run by DBT only, and that's it. You now have DBT-Fusion installed on your Windows system. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Drop any questions or troubleshooting tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy learning.